Have you been looking for affordable brick home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the 1902 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. If you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to help you too. Whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information are in the description box below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, so I hope you like that decorated model that we just looked at. So right behind me here is the one that's actually for sale right now for just a little over $350,000. And this is four-sided brick home right here in the greater Greenville area. So Piedmont, South Carolina. We're gonna go inside and check this one out. You know, like I said, four-sided brick. And in this neighborhood, there are sidewalks in the community here and obviously some common areas. And the HOA fees here, it's currently it's a little over $350-ish, like $350, $365, something like that. All right, so just like the model, you got the little front porch here. And you know, you still have the side panel glass, you know, to let in more natural light into the home. The luxury vinyl planks in this one is going to be just in the living areas. So the bedrooms are going to have the carpet, okay? So just like the model, you got the coat closet there. All right, and then the bedroom. This was, you know, basically the setup, the office setup in the model, and you got the closet behind it. And check out the bathroom here, tub shower, and then the second bedroom. Again, the closet here. And as you can see, you do have that carpet in the bedrooms. Okay, nice wide hallway too as you come in. You know, that entryway, nice and wide, so you know you have enough space to put a nice little entryway table like they did in the model, which was good. And open floor plan here. And let's check out the kitchen area here. And you got the granite countertops in this one, and obviously there's no refrigerator. And gas range, single bowl sink, towel, subway towel backsplash there. You got the single bowl sink, and you know, obviously the cabinets on the island as well. And this small pantry here, dining area. All right, let's go ahead and check out this outside. And this back door here, you've got the blinds actually built into the door. And as you can see, this one doesn't have quite as big a covered patio as the model, so that model was extended. If you ever get an opportunity to build with Adams Homes, you could extend that patio if you wanted to. All right, so backyard, this one, it is a little hilly in the back, you know, but you do have neighbors here. I think that's one of these houses. I think that one over there is already occupied. There are plenty of people that live in this neighborhood already. So a little smaller on the back patio here. And as I said, it's four-sided brick. All right, so let's check out the primary bedroom and the other bedroom. And this particular home here is actually eligible for the 3.99% interest rate, which is a 1-to-0 buy down that the builder is providing on this particular home, along with four other homes in this community, okay? And this is one that actually qualifies for that. And what that means is that the first year, your interest rate will be 3.99%. The second year through year 30, it will go up to 4.99%. Okay, and it basically stays there from year 2 through 30. Plus you get the up to $7,000 in closing costs as well. So which is some awesome incentives right now for the government loans. And if you're paying cash or doing a conventional loan, there is another incentives for you, which is up to $20,000 that you can use as flex cash. All right, let's check out the rest of the tour here. All right, so you've got the laundry room here, and it does have the luxury vinyl planks in here as well. And then the garage, got the water heater over there, access to the attic. All right, let's check out this other bedroom first. All right, so it's just like the model, except it's not decorated. All right. All right, so again, just like the model, you've got the tray ceiling there. You do have the crown molding as well, and the bathroom, the shower, and behind here you got the linen closet, luxury vinyl plank floors, double sinks, and the water closet here. Walk-in closet, and you do have the brushed nickel fixtures there, ceiling fan. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour. Like I said, this particular home is available right now for sale at just a little over $350,000. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.